Meet the grebes, masters of the water. Grebes are amazing birds. These elegant creatures are known for their incredible swimming abilities and their striking appearance. They are experts at diving and swimming. With their streamlined bodies and specialized feathers, they can stay underwater for extended periods, catching fish with remarkable precision. These birds are found all over the world, gracing us with their presence on every continent except Antarctica. From serene lakes to bustling wetlands, grebes adapt to a variety of habitats, showcasing their versatility. With their sleek bodies and powerful legs, they navigate the waters with grace and agility. Their lobed toes act like paddles, propelling them swiftly through the water. Their captivating courtship displays and unique calls add to the wonder of nature. During mating season, their elaborate dances and vocalizations create a mesmerizing spectacle. Let us delve into the world of these fascinating creatures. Join us as we explore the life and habits of the grebes, uncovering the secrets of these true masters of the water. A home on the water, where grebes reside. Grebes call many places home. You can find them on lakes, ponds, and even slow-moving rivers. They prefer freshwater habitats, but can also be found in coastal areas during the winter months when temperatures drop. Sheltered areas with plenty of vegetation are their favorite haunts, providing ample food and protection from predators. Built for the dive, adaptations for survival. Grebes are perfectly adapted for life in the water. Their streamlined bodies allow them to glide effortlessly, making them exceptional swimmers. Their dense waterproof feathers keep them warm and dry even after spending hours in the water. These feathers are meticulously maintained through constant preening, ensuring they remain in top condition. This feature is crucial for their survival, especially in colder climates. In icy waters, their insulation is vital, allowing them to thrive where other birds might struggle. Their legs, positioned far back on their bodies, act like powerful engines, propelling them through the water with remarkable speed and agility. This unique adaptation not only aids in swimming but also in diving, helping them catch prey efficiently. Section 4. The challenges of life on the water. Life on the water is not without its challenges. Grebes face threats from predators like hawks, eagles, and larger fish. These predators pose a constant danger, particularly to eggs and chicks. Habitat loss due to human activities also presents a significant challenge. Section 5. Grebe Curiosities, Fascinating Facts. Grebes are full of surprises. Did you know that some grebes eat their own feathers? It is thought that they do this to protect their stomachs from sharp fish bones. The feathers line their digestive tract, aiding in the passage of indigestible parts. Section 6. Protecting our feathered divers. Grebes, with their captivating beauty and remarkable adaptations, are a valuable part of our ecosystem. These elegant birds, known for their striking plumage and unique behaviors, play a crucial role in maintaining the health of our wetlands. It is our responsibility to ensure their survival for generations to come. By understanding their needs and the challenges they face, we can take meaningful actions to protect them. We can all play a part by protecting their wetland habitats. Wetlands are vital ecosystems that provide food, shelter, and breeding grounds for grebes and many other species. Supporting organizations involved in conservation efforts is essential. These groups work tirelessly to restore and preserve wetland areas, ensuring that grebes have a safe place to thrive. Spreading awareness about these fascinating creatures is another crucial step. Educating the public, especially young minds, about the importance of grebes and their habitats can inspire future generations to continue conservation efforts. Let us appreciate the wonders of nature and work together to protect these incredible birds. Birdwatching and documenting their behaviors can also contribute valuable data to conservation research. By understanding their needs and respecting their environment, we can create a harmonious coexistence with these beautiful birds. We can ensure that grebes continue to grace our waterways with their presence, enriching our natural world with their unique behaviors and interactions, captivating us with their diving skills and captivating courtship displays for years to come. Together, we can make a difference and secure a future where grebes and other wildlife flourish.